Smart bbPress nVerify is a plugin created for authors selling through Envato marketplaces, Team Forest, Code Canyon, and any other. And it allows them to set up customer verification in case they are using WordPress and bbPress to provide support forums. If you have support forums set up using bbPress plugin, you will have a list of forums, something like this. For each product or item, you will have individual forums. Using this plugin, you can assign your Envato items to forums, and each forum that have an item assigned will require from your users to enter valid purchase code for that specific product in order to access support forum for that product and create new topics and read the support forum content. Plugin is easy to set up and you need to start by setting up your Envato account with the plugin and then assigning products to individual forums. Before you can use this plugin, you need to set it up, and here you need to enter your username on Envato network and AIP key. This key you can find on My Settings AIP keys panel, like this here. You can add more than one key from here and copy the key from this into this field. Once you save it, you will get this information that your account is set correctly and for tracking purposes your current balance, and that's it. If there is some problem with username, key, or connection, you will get a message about that. Before anything else, this must be set. If this is not set, nothing else will work. From settings panel you can control many things. Most importantly, you can control protection of forums and allowing unrestricted access also. To protect forum access, you have three options. One is forum, so you can protect the list of topics in the forum. Practically, if a user opens a page for a protected forum, he will see that he needs to enter a purchase code, and he will not be able to see a list of topics. If you want to show the list of topics, disable this option and leave new topic form also protected, because in that case user will see the list of topics but he will be unable to post a new topic. And most importantly, protection of topic. This is practically the most important thing, because with this you will not allow user to see the topic without purchase code. So this option should be left enabled and protected. But in the same time you need to have users with unrestricted access, and here you can select user roles, and all users having any of these roles will be able to access forums unrestricted. So administrators and moderators are most important for such access, and by default administrator, keymaster, and moderator are allowed. Keymaster is the same as administrator but for bbPress set of user roles. Also, you can revalidate purchase codes automatically after a period of number of days you set here. So if a user has a purchase that is reversed or refunded, purchase code is no longer valid, and with this option you will make sure that after that happens, your forum also gets confirmation that purchase code is active or inactive and lock it out of the system. So revalidation is something that that can be very useful for such purchase codes. Also, important thing is that you only allow using one purchase code for one user on your website only. You have administration settings to show columns for list of forums on the admin side, so you can see which item is assigned to which forum. And finally, you can allow multiple authors accounts so that you have main Envato account here, but for individual items you can specify another account and another AIP key for that account, in case that you run support website with some other authors from Envato, so that they can also specify their own username and AIP key for some of the items used for forums. To protect forums, you need to go to forums panel on the admin side and to add item codes for forums you want to protect. For now we want to protect 2 forums, and first we'll open for Smart Web Fonts control, and as you can see you will get a new meta box here, and you can add an item that will be used to control this forum access. You need item ID. You can find item ID in the URL for your item on any of the Code Canyon marketplaces. And you can add more than one item. This means that if you bind 2 items for a single forum, then access is granted for purchase code that belongs to any of the items that you have added to specific forum. We will use one item here. After you save the forum, you will get information if the item ID is valid, and in this case it is. When you go back to a list of all forums, you will see items that are bound to this forum, and we'll also set up Smart Tabber widget forum, and we'll use item ID for this one also. And you are now set, and you can use protection for 2 forums we have set up right now. Now that we have set up 2 of the forums, if you open the forum as an administrator, you will be able to access it normally. There it is. If you are a visitor with no account on the website, you will get something like this. It says that you must be logged in and you need the valid license to access the forum. But once you log in, you will get something a bit different. You now have a different message saying that you need a valid license to access the forum, and you have a list of items, in this case one item, for Smart Web Fonts to access this particular forum. You have a space where you need to enter the purchase code, and if you don't know what the purchase code is, here is the instruction. So every user of your plugin will be able to quickly get information how to find the purchase code and paste it in the area here. Now let's see if a user enters invalid code. something random, you will get a message and that's it, nothing happens. User refreshes the page and now will enter a valid code. And there it is. Page is reloaded now and user have access to this forum now. Access data is saved, purchase code is saved into a database for this user, and on any other visit he will be uh, using the same key without the need to enter it, and making this process very user friendly. So the key needs to be entered only once for each Envato item. Again, works fine. Going back, trying the other protected forum and getting the similar information that access is uh, not possible without purchase code. We are entering purchase code for this item. Again, successful. And there it goes. Now that we have some codes entered, you can see the list of customers with, in this case, users with registered purchase codes. If you go to customers panel, you will get that list. Well, in this case, we only have one user and two codes registered for that user. And you can filter this list by all available items that you have attached to some of the forums. And you can sort by user ID or username this list and filter by product. If you want to see the details about each purchase code, just click on this button here. You will get all the information needed. There it goes. This way you will be able to track use of the codes, which users on your support forum are active, which products they have purchase codes for. So it will be useful to know things like that. Last panel for this plugin is called Quick Verify. This is a panel where you can simply check out a purchase code manually if a user cannot do it on its own or having problem verifying valid purchase codes. You can manually confirm the validity of the code and then search for the problem after that, and that's it. If you enter a code here, you will get the information like this.